And happy Monday, everybody. We have been tracking a really nice and warm day today. Temperatures climbed into the middle 50s, but we do have warm weather that will continue into the middle part of this week. In fact, we're tracking high temperatures that may be a few degrees warmer than what we saw today. But if you like this warm weather, I have to tell you that all good things come to an end by the middle part of the week. We will be tracking a couple of systems that will come in with some rain and eventually maybe some wintry weather, but it's all going to be dependent on where these fronts set up in the coming days, not only in terms of our high temperatures, but also our rain and snow chances in the forecast. But over the next 5 days, this is a look at the 5 days rainfall map, and where we get into some of those darker greens and even the yellows, that's showing where we may pick up more than a half inch to maybe over an inch of rain over the next 5 days, with the best opportunities coming 2 days out of this upcoming work week, with one coming on Wednesday and then the other system coming in Thursday night and into Friday. So I think those are the times that we may see some impacts from our weather. But until then, we're pretty quiet. Satellite radar zoomed all the way out. All of this is going to be coming in from our west, where the system will be moving in from. But until then, we're going to be staying dry. A few clouds will come in overnight tonight, but I don't expect any rain to fall from the sky, not until we get towards Tuesday night. That's what I want to show you here on Future Track. Going through the day tomorrow, we'll wake up to maybe some patchy fog. That's something to keep in mind for that morning commute. But then once we get towards the afternoon, we'll just be kind of dealing with some cloud cover. But late Tuesday evening, this is 11 o'clock. Now we're dealing with some rain showers starting to move in. I do want to point out that there is that pink color showing up. There is some possibility in northeastern areas that there could be a little bit of freezing rain initially. However, I think the vast majority of us will see just regular rain, and I don't expect a ton of impacts from that. Most of this rain happens Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We may see a few showers, a couple rumbles of thunder, also a possibility to begin the day Wednesday, but then we see that kind of move out, and most of Wednesday will actually be dry, but it is going to be a pretty warm day as well and breezy. We may see temperatures in the upper 50s by the time we head towards Wednesday. Now, in terms of how much rain will fall, I think through this first system, probably around a quarter to a half inch, especially north of I-94, is expected with that system. But showing you the 7-day forecast, we do see the high temperature of 57 degrees on Wednesday. If we do see a little bit of sun, we may get a little bit warmer than that, believe it or not. And then for Friday, that's when our next system will be arriving. This does have the opportunity at bringing us a rain-snow mix. You can see that with one of our computer models here. We'll keep an eye on the track of this, but it does look like there may be a wintry side to this, where it starts as rain and then maybe changes over to some snow. So we'll keep an eye on that as we get towards the end of the week. And then by the weekend, we're much colder. High temperatures only down into the 30s. There also could be some lake effect snow that tries to develop on Saturday, and that may linger into Sunday and Monday as well. But the chance is too low right now. I left it off to 7-day, but we'll keep an eye on that as we head towards this upcoming weekend.